n'obodo Enugu ịkwa ozu adịghị izi cha maka na ọ na-abụ ya na-akwụ onye kwa nna ya etozugo ịba na echichi ya. Tupu ị na-eje echichi ọzọ, ị ga-ebugodo ụzọ kwa nne gị, na ọ bụrụ na nne gị na-akwazuo ya akwazu. Ihe eji akwakwanụ ozu na nkanụ abụghị obere ife, maka na ị ga-ebidori na gboo, ị ga-etuzu mara n'izu ka eme nke a bụ na em ka m kwụrụ ebe ahụ na-akwadobe na-edozigasị ma amịhe mma m n'ọbọ, na-ahazigasị ka ndị Ogbuefi mma ka m tụrụ mma eji egbu efi. Ị ga-eke ekike maka na tupu mmemme a na-aga, ị ga-etuzu. This is a prestigious culture, traditional culture of Indian Kano. Look at me now. I'm getting information from one of the elders who is actually yes, he's telling me what to do, what will be the next thing to do. This kind of culture is called for the rich. If you are not rich, this is not, you can't host this kind of event. It is for those that are rich. That is why most people, before they do this kind of thing, some people sell their property, sell land and all that before you can belong to the prestigious Ogbuefi. People will be in your compound, elders will be in your compound, like this one that you are seeing now. They are to break it, and behind them are the kindred. This is immediately you want to do this, there will be your compound, have enough drinks, giving them, supplying them food, drinks and all that to really show that you are capable enough. So if you want one and then watch the palm wine, this one is palm wine and grace of beer, their food will come later and all that. So each echichi kwozu bụ ebulu Ogbuefi na ana Kano adịghị Ogbuefi ya nekwa ọkụkọ. Ị ga-na-egbu ọkụkọ nke abụ ọkụkọ abụọ, ọkụkọ na-abụ ka nchi na-achịje mfa. Nke a bụ maka ndị Ogbeke dị ejibo, just like igede aja ejibi onye ụbịam cha. So the elders are preparing for the prestigious Ogbeke music that is made for only look at the cows. This is the cow. These are the cows. The other one is at the front of that place, about 2 there. This one are 2. Not just this, because for this kind of event you have to really show that you can afford cows, and before you get the title, say they are getting ready now to perform. The elders, prestigious Ogbeke, the elders of the community, they are getting ready to perform, and as they are performing, see me now, they carry the yam, because as they perform, they supply their food, supply 2 bags of yam. Even as we are supplying yam, supplying drinks and even food, because this is not for the poor. It's for the elders. They don't perform this kind of music for poor people. So after this title, after doing this, you know that you can now be called into the inner caucus of the community. Maka na Ogbuefi igede aja ejibi onye ụbịam, ị ga-egbu echaghị ewu, ebini ma ọkụkọ, ji na mmanya na nri. This kind of event, and a video for a month, more than a month, the people will be in your place eating, drinking.